Whether you're looking for new equipment installation, replacement, conscientious maintenance, or repair, Wilson Home Services LLC targets efficiency, safety, cost savings, and sustainability. Our team of fully licensed, highly trained, and experienced professionals are dedicated to a job done right. Here's what some of our customers had to say. Corey McConnell says, "Just had some tankless water heater repair done with Wilson. Travon Bowie was the technician who came out and he was very knowledgeable and professional. I look forward to working with them again in the future." Nedra Robinson says, "I've used Wilson Home Services for several years for my HVAC, plumbing, and electrical needs. Their quality of work is always exceptional. Trust only a professional for your plumbing needs. Contact us today to schedule a service."